Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you this amazing face mask. You will get a whitening and glass skin naturally at home. All you need is 1 teaspoon of flour. Flour guards the skin, as well as helps in regeneration of skin cells. It works wonders when it comes to skin whitening and lightening dark spots. 1 teaspoon of milk powder. Milk powder helps you in attaining radiant skin. It's considered an effective panacea for crystal clear skin just like milk. It's rich in lactic acid, which naturally cleans and brightens skin. Besides skin lightening, what makes milk powder an apt ingredient for the skin is the concentration of vitamins and minerals. This acts as a skin purifier. It can also rid the skin of unwanted impurities like blackheads and whiteheads. 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Lemons can completely transform your skincare game by treating acne, lightening dark spots, and providing tighter, plumper skin. Lemons are wonderful for your skin because they are high in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant and a brightening agent. While drinking lemon water can give you glowing skin, using a face mask with a few drops of lemon juice will remove excess oil from your skin and reduce acne. 2 teaspoons of rose water. Rose water has calming and soothing effects when applied to your skin, which helps soothe redness and irritation. It helps to naturally hydrate. Proper hydration is key for youthful glowing skin, and rose water is a natural hydrator. It has antioxidant properties that nourish and protect the skin. It can help prevent fine lines and wrinkles and diminish the look of existing ones. It minimizes the appearance of large pores because it can help balance oil in our skin. It keeps your pores from getting clogged and appearing larger. 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey moisturizes the skin deeply, acts as a pore cleanser, gentle exfoliator, lightens scars, useful in sunburn, fights acne and pimples, reverses age, adds a natural glow, hydrates the skin, helps reduces wrinkles, and brightens skin complexion. Mix all the ingredients together. Don't forget to clean your face before applying any face mask or scrub. So, firstly clean your face and apply the mask on your face and leave it for about 25 minutes and rinse it with warm water and cold water. Moisturize your face with your favorite moisturizer or oil. That's it. So simple and easy, and you can find all the ingredients in your kitchen. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.